Making a branding iron with my maker's mark was a bit of a challenge, as I don't work with metal that often. I started with a large old bolt that I had cut the thread off. I cleaned up the cut with a grinder and sandpaper. Then I drew my mark, which is my initials, M and W. If you try this and your mark's not symmetrical like mine, don't forget to mirror it. The soft steel of the bolt was pretty easy to remove with a dental burr. I once got a big quantity of these from my dentist, who would otherwise have thrown them away. Using progressively finer burrs, I refined the carving using a black Sharpie to help me see the background that still needed removing. My first try with my brand was with an ink pad to see if I had removed enough metal. A little try with a gas torch and it was time to cut the bolt and make a handle. First I had to drill and tap a hole in the steel, which I did with the help of my wood lathe. I found a nice piece of blackwood to make the handle and fitted a brass ferrule. I glued the threaded shaft into the handle and finished it with a little shellac. A small butane stove provides a bit more heat than the gas torch and also lets me rest the brand while it heats up. Here's the results.